Hello everybody and welcome, and today we answer a simple question: how to make money using TikTok. TikTok is now the world's leading destination for short form mobile videos. As of July 2019, TikTok has over 500 million worldwide users. First of all, the question, can you make money on TikTok? The answer is yes. How? Find out after this.
If you're British and you want to be famous, all you have to do is a 15-second video of you speaking.
Even really wanna feel it, shit, it got me, told me kill him. I said let me grab my
As with any massive internet-based trend, the question quickly arises, can you make money using TikTok? Okay, method one, we're going to look at promoting your own thing. Whatever your niche is, whether you are teaching people how to lose weight, whether you're teaching people how to become rich on social media, how to use Facebook, how to use YouTube, how to use TikTok, or whether it's a more specific, very small niche. Let's say you make clay figures. You can make a little short video of all the clay figures you've done in the past, or you can make a super fast video of how you do a clay figure, and on the last few frames of this video you send them to your Shopify or your Etsy or your eBay store, wherever your store is. You send the traffic to that page and you get more and more sales.
I like to check it with my whole body. Let's go!
It's Britney, babe.
Been there, done that, messed around. I'm having fun, don't put me down. I'll never let you sweep me off my feet.
Okay, we're going to look at option 2, which is live streaming. Now TikTok is based musically, whether it's around live streaming or lip syncing. TikTok users can buy coins using their real money via an in-app purchase. The users can now use these coins to essentially tip a TikTok creator for a small thank you for this great live content. Now by no means are you going to make millions and millions from this, but it is a small income stream. If you've got thousands of followers, each tipping you a little bit every now and again, then you're going to make some income.
Okay, this TikTok is for British people, so if you're not British, keep scrolling.
Now you know what? You were the one person I didn't want to see today because I really want to slap you now.
Now the last one, number 1, is become an influencer. Now being an influencer has got some pretty bad press over the recent months, where people have bought 50,000 fake followers on Instagram and just said, give me something to promote and I'll promote it to my 50,000 friends or followers, and they've got that thing for free. But if you've created good quality content and obtained these fans over days, weeks, months, even years, thousands and thousands of truly good quality followers, then people are going to listen to you. But true influencers are people who have actual humans following them and not just paid bots. Now let's name a massive influencer from the past, Oprah Winfrey. Now even mentioning a book on Oprah's show was enough to turn that book into a #1 bestseller. But while Oprah was a massive influencer, and internet now is based on all these smaller influencers, opinion can still count. If you do food reviews, or book reviews, or movie reviews, and you can turn your followers away from these bad food, bad restaurant, or bad movies and into the good cinemas and the good restaurants, and that's where your opinion can count, and that's where you can gain steps towards becoming an influencer. So if you do have good quality content, do have something worthwhile to say, do have all these real humans following you who listen to what you say, then you can recommend products or services that you genuinely do use. Then those brands or artists or stores or whatever can reimburse you or compensate you for promoting their product. But if you've got a real influencer presence, then you can earn thousands or tens and thousands of pounds or dollars if you're watching this somewhere else. Hey, thank you very much for watching. This is how to make money using TikTok. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I've also got an ebook down in the description on how to become an influencer. Check it out now. Use the coupon code below as well for 90% off. This was again how to make money using TikTok. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Take care.